Today I am going to explain you about one-way classification problems. So here we have one problem. The question is, three processes A, B and C are tested to see whether their outputs are equivalent. The following observations of outputs are made. Here we have three treatments A, B and C with unequal number of elements. Carry out the analysis of variance and state your conclusions. To do an analysis of variance of one-way classification, first of all we have to set null hypothesis. So here H0 null hypothesis, H0 is, we assuming H0 as outputs of three processes A, B and C are equal. That is symbolically H0 from mu1 is equal to mu2 equal to mu3. So we have an observation we have to calculate here like this. Here we have a processes A, B and C. Three processes are there. Observations given in the question I have written. So here Ti dot we have to calculate. What is Ti dot? Ti dot means first cell total values. Total values of A process is 98. Total values of B process is 55. Total values of C process is 75. So next one we have to calculate Ti dot square by Ni. Ti dot square means this Ti dot value square by Ni. Ni means how many observations are there in A process, how many observations are there in B process, how many observations are there in C process. So here I am going to, I will get this value by calculating 98 square by how many observations are there in this process. So 7 observations are there divided by 7. So here 55 square by divided by 5. Here it is 75 square by divided by 6. So I will get the values like this. After calculating this one, I have to calculate this value. Summation j Yij square. So this value is each and every observations in treatment A. That means process A. 10 square plus 12 square plus 13 square plus 11 square plus 10 square and so on up to this value. Each and every observations of B squaring and adding, each and every observations of C squaring and adding, I'll get this value. After calculation of this part, we have to calculate Ti dot total, this total and summation Yij square total. So these values are known as summation. Summing means what? Total of all Ti dot. Summation total of all 2 Ti dot square by Ni. So this value is summation, double summation of Yij square. After that we have to calculate grand total. Grand total is given as the formula double summation over I over j Yij is equal to summation Ti dot square. Just now we have calculated Ti dot, now that total is known as our grand total 2 to 8. So grand total G, symbolically we are representing G is equal to 2 to 8. After that we have to calculate raw sum of squares. Raw sum of squares formula is given as double summation Yij square. Total value as we have seen in the table, that is 27y. This is obtained as each and every observation squaring and adding. That is each and every observations given in the question, whole question A, B, C and 3 processes. We have to square each and every observation, will get this total. Raw sum of squares is denoted as RSS is equal to this total value we got by the given problem. After that we have to calculate correction factor. Correction factor is given as CF. CF is equal to G square by N equal to the values we got 2736. After that we have to calculate total sum of squares TSS. So total sum of squares we have a formula RSS minus correction factor. That means raw sum of squares minus correction factor with capital N minus 1 degrees of freedom. What is this N? Means how many observations are there together in A, B and C. Okay, so TSS is equal to the values just now we have calculated. Here we are applying and we got a value 58 with the total of 19 observations are there. 19 minus 1 is equal to 18 degrees of freedom. So therefore TSS, total sum of squares, is equal to 58 with 18 degrees of freedom. After that we have to calculate sum of squares due to treatments SST. Symbolically we are representing SST. SST formula is given this one with K minus 1. How many treatments are there? 3 treatments are there, A, B and C. So K minus 1 degrees of freedom. So SST is equal to the values just now we have calculated, that is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 degrees of freedom. SST is equal to 7 with 2 degrees of freedom. After that we have to calculate sum of squares due to error. SSE equal to TSS minus SST with n minus k degrees of freedom. So SSE is equal to 58 minus 7 is equal to 51 with 19 minus 3. 19 means n value, k means how many treatments are there? 3 treatments are there. So 19 minus 3 is equal to 16 degrees of freedom. Sum of squares due to error is equal to 51 with 16 degrees of freedom. After that, we have to construct an ANOVA table like this. So ANOVA table consists of source of variation, sum of squares, degrees of freedom, mean sum of squares, F ratio. So here under source of variations we have treatments and error and total. So sum of squares due to treatment we have calculated just now, we got a 7 value. Sum of squares due to error that is 51 and this total is 58. Degrees of freedom also k minus 1. This is k minus 1, this is n minus k. This is k minus 1 and this is n minus k. This total value is known as n minus 1, this formulas. So mean sum of squares is calculated as 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. 51 by respective degrees of freedom is equal to 3.18. Then afterwards we have to calculate F ratio, variance ratio, Ft equal to this value 3.5 divided by this respective error. Every value, every free treatment divided by with respect to error is given as F ratio. With respect to degrees of freedom, what is degrees of freedom? 2, 16. After that we got a calculated value. This value is known as our calculated value. After getting the calculated value, we have to conclude that table value of the F. See, in question they have not given any percentage of level of significance. So simply we are taking 5% level of significance. So table value of F at 5% level of significance. This is taken by F tables. At 5% k minus 1 comma n minus k is equal to F 5% 2 comma 16 is equal to 3.68. So here F calculated value just now we have shown 1.098 is less than F table value 3.638. So hence we know that if calculated value is less than table value, so we have to accept H0 just now. Hence H0 may be accepted at 5% level of significance. That is that output of H0 is executed. Outputs of 3 process capital A, B and C all are equal.